What's up, baby? We are back with another video. We are in my kitchen, so y'all know that I completely forgot to do my intro. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. Almost totally forgot to do my intro. I feel like everyone would have been like, Franny didn't do her intro. I'm back. Better than ever. We're in my kitchen. You know what that means? We are going to be cooking up a storm today. Not really a storm, but we're gonna be cooking something. I'm really excited about it. I haven't decided what I wanted to cook yet. I definitely wanted to cook or make something TikTok trending related. So there's been a lot of stuff trending on TikTok lately, just a bunch of random things, and I wanna make something that's been kind of popular. It's between three things that I wanna make. The first thing is that crazy foamy dalgona, I think that's what it's called, dalgona? That creamy foamy coffee latte drink thing that everyone's making. It's either between that, the Oreo cake thing that you can just like smash up on your own, put it in the microwave, and you have like this Oreo cake in a mug. And then the last one is pancake cereal, which I'm very much convinced on because I feel like pancakes are a theme on my channel. I did the Kylie Jenner pancakes, and pancake cereal sounds fire. The pancake cereal just sounds really appetizing to me right now. Yeah, you know what? Pancake cereal is like gravitating towards me right now. It's like, you know, like Homer Simpson in The Simpsons, he's just like, like he says something, he's like, donuts, like he's just drilling about something. That's what I felt like at the moment. F it, let's just make pancake cereal. And it's gonna be real simple because the pancake mix that I have is so simple. It is the Kodiak Cakes mix. I don't know, honestly, I found it at Target when we went grocery shopping. It was the only one they had, so we just went for it. It's a flapjack and waffle mix. All you have to do is add water to it. So it's very simple. Also, I'm winging this. I saw one video on TikTok, but it doesn't look too difficult. Oh my gosh, hold on. Why am I like this? I was trying to measure it, but I completely messed that up. Ugh, of course I made a mess. I'm just gonna put it in my hands. Probably not the smartest thing that I could do at this moment, but you know what? F it. This is like the easiest cooking thing I've ever done. Just add some water to it. So half a cup of water, half a cup of powder. Then we're just gonna mix it. Now I don't know, because it's kind of watery. Maybe because, I don't know, why is it so watery? It's supposed to be like that? Okay, I might or may not mess this up, but I'm gonna add a smidge of flour in it. Spoon it out. Okay, no, I think it did okay. I just hope it didn't ruin it. It just comes out tasting horrible. Yeah, that's what pancake mix is supposed to look like, right? Talking to no one at the moment. Okay, so I have it mixed, nice and creamy and thick and whatever you want to call it. I don't know how, honestly, I don't know how this is gonna come out. This is gonna be real interesting. We're gonna spray it with some coconut oil. A lot of people were using butter, but I'm a coconut oil type of gal. Time to pour this into this bag. I know this is what they normally do with icing, right? Couldn't be easier. Ah! Oh man, I am the worst at cooking. I swear. I'm like, couldn't be easier, and I just screw it up immediately. This is what we got so far, people. I'm gonna snip a tiny little freaking slit on that end. And we're gonna see how it goes, okay? Snippity snip, like the tiniest snip of all snips. Oh my God. Okay, extremely tiny, but you know what? It's gonna work. How do you, how is this gonna work? Oh my gosh, wait a second, hold on. What? This is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. This is insane, people. Oh my God, guys, this is insane because it's like, oh my God, it's getting everywhere. What the hell am I doing? I don't know like what's too big and what's too small. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Dude, this is so insane. I don't know why my mind's blown right now trying to make these tiny freaking pancakes right now. I'm just like trying to put as many as I can on here. Okay. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Ugh. What the F? This is what we got right now. They're looking pretty good. The flame I got on is kind of on low. Maybe if I heat it up. So that's where we're at right now. Some people say you're supposed to just wait till they get crispy and then flip them. Some people don't even say to flip them, just take them off right away. I don't know, but this is what we're working with right now. Okay, like I don't know what to do right now. I don't know whether, oh, I have it all over me. I flip it, like what do I do? Ah! All right guys, I'm sorry, I gotta take this off. I am boiling. To be honest with you, I don't think this is something, wake up in the morning and be like, yum, I'm gonna make pancake cereal. Like this is definitely not an easy sort of activity. Back to iPhone cam. So this is what oh, okay, maybe I should flip some of them now. I don't know which ones to flip or which ones not to. This is so hard. Boom. Okay, let's flip this big one over. Oh God. I think this is just the method, just flipping them over and over again. Oh my God, I wanna get that one. Flip. There we go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna just keep flipping them and like waiting for them to get like really crispy. Don't do what I'm doing and like using your fingers, but like it's the easiest way. Ow. Don't do this. Honestly, I think these are done. We're gonna go back in with this. I'm trying to make them smaller this time. Like I said, it's just a lot of effort just for pancake cereal, but I'm like becoming a pro at this. I'm like, squirt, boom, boom. Oh God, oh God. Okay, I may have a good chunk. Okay, so far this is what the cereal looks like. It's like the tiniest little chunk, so we'll see how many we can get. Let's just try one for a taste test. Honestly, tastes like a Cheerio, like a crispy Cheerio. Dance party. You know, y'all really keep me young. Would not do this probably ever. Social media keeps me curious on what the youngins are doing. I'm acting as if I'm like 40 years old. I'm like 23. I feel like I'm an old soul. I'm like getting really deep. I'm just gonna stop right now. I don't know where I was going with that. I would've went into a really dark path. I don't know why. I feel like these are taking longer than like normal. All right, I think these are done. They literally look like little Cheerios. I'm like, okay, these beads need to come off. They're like on fire, first of all. I'm sweating. I have like literally a little tissue here to dab myself because I'm probably shining like a freaking diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish making all of the batter because I still have a little bit more, but I don't want you guys just to see me putting little dots on a stove for the next 20 minutes. So I'm gonna finish that up. I'll be back and we'll figure out how the rest of this is gonna go. Okay, be right back. Let me just say, probably the most difficult thing ever. Extremely inconvenient. I'm like doing a review on this. I haven't even tried it yet. Definitely very inconvenient. Probably would just make myself a normal pancake because the tiny little dot things, super inconvenient. Just a lot of work for it, you know? This is what I got from that. It like filled up kind of half of the bowl. So what I'm picking up already, they kind of got a little soggy because they're all on top of each other, really like warm, just like sitting on top of each other. So they're getting kind of soggy. I tried one, I think on camera before. It tastes just like a soft Cheerio. If you just want to have Cheerios with some milk and syrup, probably would be a lot easier. People add syrup, milk, and butter to this. I will not be adding butter. That sounds heinous to me, but what I will do is I'm gonna add a little bit of oat milk to it, kind of like wetting the bottom a little bit. I barely put anything, but these things are probably gonna get soggy quicker than I could say soggy. Good one, Fran. I'm gonna add some Aunt Jemima syrup, and we're just gonna try it right now. I'm kinda nervous. Is this supposed to taste good? Who thought of this? It just tastes like soggy cereal. Do I add a little bit more syrup? It's just kind of soggy. That's all really it is to me. I mean, it's good. I don't think I've ever been so confused before about something in my life. It's good, but I'm confused. Like, should I like it? Should I not like it? I will finish it. Oh my God, have you guys heard? Sorry, this is gonna turn into a mukbang for 2 seconds. Have you guys heard Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber's new song, Stuck With You? It's so sweet. Stuck with the love of their lives in quarantine, and I'm here eating some pancake cereal that I don't even know if I like. Oh, that was sweet. All right, guys, I made pancake cereal. Who would have freaking knew that would even have been a thing? But you know what? People are bored in quarantine. They're making some gnarly stuff right now. Maybe I could do like muffin cereal. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very random. I wasn't honestly planning on doing this, but I saw it. You know, I just went for it. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly what I do. Do not forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Can't reach it. Bye.